Today we're going to be looking at quotation marks. Quotation marks help us to know what a person is saying, or an animal if it's a fictional story, in our sentences. So this one says, "My brother said, 'Where are we going?'" Now this is pretty easy because the quotation marks are there for you already. I have my beginning quotation mark that shows me when the character started speaking, and I have my ending quotation mark that tells me when my character stopped speaking. In between those two question marks are the words that they said. Now, let's read it again. This time think about what they're saying, what's actually coming out of their mouth. My brother said, "Where are we going?" So what was being said in this sentence? In between the two quotation marks, where are we going? The brother said, "Where are we going?" Now, did the brother say, "My brother said"? No, he said, "Where are we going?" So what you need to do on these screens is take this yellow rectangle down in the corner and you're going to pull it to highlight what he said. So I'm going to take it to my beginning quotation mark right here. Looks like those two, here let me move that so you can see it. Looks like those two apostrophes right next to each other that are floating in the air. Quotation marks have two little lines. So this is the beginning one. I'm going to put my box right there over top. And then I'm going to put a box on the other one to show where he stopped. Now I'm not done. I have to highlight the words that he said. Let me show you what you're going to do. You're going to take your mouse here and you're going to click on that box. And do you see how it has all of these boxes, the blue little squares? That's where you can select to drag it to make this box bigger. So take your mouse and I want you to hover right over top of this right hand square that's in the middle. Not the top one, not the bottom one, but the right one in the middle. Now watch my mouse. You see how it's an arrow right now? If I move it over top of this blue square, it turns into a double arrow. That tells me that I can make this box wider. So if I click and hold my mouse, I can move it, and you see that little shadow, or the little box? That's telling me how big it's going to be. So if I go way over here, that's going to be way too big of a box. I just want to highlight the words. Now if I let go, watch what happens. I just highlighted the word where. Now here's a problem. I can't highlight this line with this box. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to do the same thing with this box. I'm going to click on it. It has my squares around the outside, the blue ones, and I'm going to click on the middle one on the left this time, because if I clicked on the one on the right, I'm not highlighting anything over here. There's nothing to highlight. I need to pick the one on the left. Again, you're going to click and hold the mouse and then drag it, and that line's going to show you where the box is going to be when you let go. When I finally highlight all the words I want, I'm going to let go, and then ta-da! It just highlighted the words that you want. So then on this screen you can say the words being said are, "Where are we going?" That's what they're speaking. And you might have some boxes left over here in the corner, you might not. Don't worry about that. Just make sure you have whatever is being said highlighted on your screen. Now some of them might be at the beginning of the sentences, so always look for your quotation marks. I think there's one in here that I actually have two sets of quotation marks. Did I do that? I might have. I can't find it right now, but I might have done that. Yep, there it is. Right here. Look at this one. This says, "I like to build sandcastles," said Simon, "and also play in the waves." So you have two things that you need to be highlighting there. Alright, just remember, if you mess up, you can always undo right here, this back button that says undo. It just undoes what you just did. Or you can always start over and try again. Don't get frustrated. Try the best you can. Remember, you're just highlighting what's being said, what's between the quotation marks. Okay. When you get down to this red section, I'm going to put another video for you to watch to show you what to do for this red section. So just highlight the blue section right now. Okay, good luck.